Good morning, everyone. Kamusta? This is Roda Santos, a licensed wealth planner from FWD Life Insurance. This is just a short presentation of our financial need analysis or kung paano natin makukompute ang ating mga financial need. So our company, FWD Group, was established in Asia in 2013. FWD is the primary insurance business of investment group Pacific Century Group. FWD Life Insurance Corporation or FWD Life Philippines launched its commercial operation in September 2014. We are one of the fastest growing life insurance company in the country today. Our presence 10 years in 10 markets in Asia. That includes Hong Kong and Macau, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Singapore, Vietnam, Japan, Malaysia, and Cambodia. We rank number 3 in paid-up capital and number 6 in new business annual premium equivalent. We are number 1 in different brand in the Philippines and number 2 in innovative brand in the Philippines. And number 1 again in customer experience among insurer in the Philippines. As of this year, insurance commission sector, quarter 1 of 2024 performance report, we rank number 3 on the insurance company in the country. As a wealth planner, I specialize in designing personalized financial plans to address the needs of people at every stage. Typically, people belong to these 6 stages that include single couple, empty nester, and retirees. Anong stage ka kaya ngayon dito? People who belong to your life stage usually have the following financial needs. Andyan yung income protection, health protection, critical illness, retirement, child's education. Naniniwala ka ba? Yan nga yung mga needs natin sa kahit na stages ng ating buhay. While you have many needs in your current life stage, the most important need is income protection. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Kailangan natin protektahan yung income natin para mapanatili ng mga mahal natin sa buhay ang kanilang kasalukuyang lifestyle kahit wala ka na. So ano bang ibig sabihin uli nun? Kung wala ka man sa picture, yung mga anak mo, makakapag-continue sa pag-aaral nila or makukontinue nila yung mga dreams na gusto nila balang araw. So, hindi sila mahihirapan financially dahil meron kang na-prepare para sa kanila. So, gusto mo bang malaman kung magkano ang dapat mong protektahan na kita para sa iyong family? Let me walk you through how much your family will need if something happens to you. Simulan natin sa monthly expenses. How much do you think will your family need if something happens to you? So dahil this is a presentation in general, so mag-a-assume ako ng 30,000 pesos for ang monthly expenses ng isang family. Assuming ng monthly expenses, so let's multiply that by 12 to get the annual expenses. 30,000 by 12, that's equal to 360,000 pesos annual expenses. So how long do you need to provide this amount for your family? Gaano mo katagal to kailangan na mai-provide sa family mo para makasiguro ka na hindi mauudlot yung mga plano or dreams ng family mo. So, let me help you on that. Assuming the youngest child is 5 years old. So, anong age kaya siya mag-graduate in college? So, let's assume na 23, so which is the current age of your child. You have that to 18 years. So, he or she will graduate at age 23. Since your child will graduate at that age, that's the age. So you will need to provide for 18 years. So let's now calculate the annual expenses multiplied by the number of years needed. So 360,000 times 18 years, that will equal to 6,480,000 pesos. Wow, ang laki. Did you realize that this is now the minimum amount needed by your family in case na something happens to you or your youngest child graduates? So how well for this? Do you have an existing life insurance? Let's assume na meron kang life coverage na 2 million. Have you saved the remaining amount in the bank? Or do you have a savings in bank? Assuming na ang savings mo sa banko is 500,000. So, meron tayo amount na kailangan natin gawan ng paraan. So this is your income protection. This is the income protection you need for your family, the 6,480,000, less the existing life coverage of 2 million, and less the savings in the bank, which is 500,000 pesos. So you need this amount to address the gap, and that amount is 3,980,000. Grabe. So if you could do something to address this need today, would you do it? I'm sure you will. Kasi syempre, this is for your family. Naman, in future, lalo na sa mga anak mo, willing to set aside that your family absence. So ang sabi nga nila, a good rule of thumb is to set aside at least 10%, 50%, 15% of your income. So magkano yun? So to create a customized plan for you, I need to ask a few questions. I want to assure you that any information you shared will be kept confidential. All information I need for you to help you to address the gap amount is to message me para mapag-usapan natin yung personalized plan mo. Aside from the gap amount na gagawa natin ng paraan, I'll make sure to provide you a living benefit as well. Andiyan ang investment fund that you may enjoy using or as a education fund or retirement fund or major critical benefits na you can use for your medical expenses or recovery funds. Kasi alalahanin mo na ikaw man nagkasakit ka is mamamatay na, mabubuhay ka pa. So you also need to provide or to be ready for your recovery fund. How do you like it? Maganda naman, 'di ba? So message me as soon as possible and let's discuss your personalized plan and start filling out your application immediately. Kasi to be insured as early as possible and the younger you get your policy, the more chances that your investment plan will grow higher and the premium is mas mura compared dun sa mga age na kita natin. So again, thank you for trusting me with this very important decision case. And it is my advocacy to help my clients achieve their financial goals. And I would really like to extend my reach to more and more people. Baka may mga friends ka pa and family na hindi pa nila naiisip yung mga ganito financial planning. Please tell them to start planning na. I'm very much willing to help them. So again, congratulations on securing family's income in advance. So I'll be waiting for your call or your message para mapag-usapan natin ang inyong personalized plan. Okay? So that's it. See you all June. Bye. Thank you.